Would you like to start investing today, but you don't have a lot of money? Think investing is something only for the rich and powerful? Well, that's not true. Investing is accessible for everyone these days. Want to know how to start investing with only $20? Then you have to check out today's video.
He is a best-selling author.
30-year-old Jason Fieber has a plan.
This guy retired at only 33 years old.
I don't know if I know too many people that have accomplished something like that.
He's really kind of a guru when it comes to passive income.
Investing in stocks used to be complicated, expensive, and practically inaccessible. But it's been democratized. It's now possible to start stock investing immediately with almost no money. I used investing to go from below broke at age 27 to financially free at 33. Systematically investing my hard-earned capital into high-quality dividend growth stocks allowed me to retire in my early 30s. But I started investing in 2010, before it was so cheap and easy. Now, you can get started investing with just $20, and here's how you do it. So the first step to being able to invest in stocks is to open a brokerage account. Opening a brokerage account is a surprisingly straightforward process, and it can be done completely online in a matter of minutes. There are a lot of choices in this arena. The competitive marketplace has definitely helped to make stock investing much easier and cheaper for everyone. I personally use Fidelity and Schwab, both of which I recommend. They're both sizable financial institutions with long-standing track records of excellence. Customer service is great, and there are physical branches in case you'd like to actually have a one-on-one conversation with someone about your money. When it comes to safeguarding hundreds of thousands of my dollars, I trust proven institutions. Whereas a lot of upstart online-only brokerages have not yet proven their ability to last, the likes of Schwab and Fidelity have been around for decades, and they have the kind of customer service I need. Most of the major brokerages these days allow for the buying of fractional shares. You can count Schwab and Fidelity in that list. Fractional shares is just what it sounds like. A fractional share is less than a whole share. When buying a fractional share, you're buying a percentage of a share. Schwab and Fidelity both offer what they term slices of stocks. This is where you have the ability to buy just a few dollars worth of stock, no matter the actual market price of that stock. In the case of Fidelity, they allow for an investor to buy as little as 0.001 of a share. For a $100 stock, that means you can buy as low as 10 cents worth. In the case of Schwab, they allow for an investor to buy fractional shares for as little as $5. Let's say, for example, you want to invest in Apple Inc., but at $350 per share, even one share is simply way too much money for your $20. Plus, you'd probably like to start building a diversified portfolio right off the bat, rather than put all of your eggs in just one basket. Well, you can buy, for instance, just $5 worth of Apple stock with either of these new slice programs. In this example, that means you have $15 left to invest in other stocks. This is a really neat feature that these brokerages now offer because it means anyone can get started with stock investing with almost no money at all. Stock investing has been totally democratized. Even with only $20, you could build a mini portfolio of some of your favorite stocks. Lack of capital has been totally eliminated as an excuse to avoid stock investing. It used to be that high commission charges meant that investors had to scrounge up thousands of dollars per trade in order to rationalize the fees. When I first started investing, it was common for brokerages to charge $7 to $10 per trade. It didn't make sense to invest with only $20 back then, but that was then, and this is now. Nowadays, you can get started investing with as little as $20. As for which stocks to actually buy, make sure to follow the channel. We regularly put out videos on high-quality dividend growth stocks that appear to be undervalued. These are all excellent long-term investment ideas for you to consider. This is your opportunity to open a brokerage account, start your investing research, and get busy with building out a diversified, high-quality dividend growth stock portfolio. Collect those growing dividends. Let money go to work for you. Get compounding on your side. Watch the wealth and passive income pile up and slowly become financially independent. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Give us a like if you did. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so that you don't miss out on new content. Also, take a look at the description box below for some important links and additional information. I'll see you next time.